Thutha wa thirikari ya President Uhuru Kenyatta kuhuthira bilioni cia mbeca mubango-ini wa HUDUMA NAMBA, mubango uria wari wige maundu mothe ma mundu kandi-ini imwe, thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza niteyaniirie kandi icio na itigukorwo ikihuthika. Ndumiriri ino irekereirio ni mwandiki MUKARU ruhonge-ini rwa UTHAMI JULIUS BITOK ari mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igi UTHAMI akiuga ni maraniirie na President William Ruto na akaheo mwerekera wa kwambiriria mibango ya ibandi njeru cia digital na ihinda-ini ria mieri 3 yukite mibango ino ni kwambiriria.
The government has pronounced itself on HUDUMA number. I think His Excellency last week when he was unveiling 5,084 services was very clear that we are now going to digital identity, which he ordered us to implement within 90 days. And that the position of the official position of the government is that we are not going back to HUDUMA number, that we are going now to third generation ID and the digital identity. That is the official position of the government.
Na hari mateta ma gucerithirio gwa gucabwo no heani wa passport, BITOK augite thirikari ni igurite mashini igiri njeru iria iguteithiriria thina uria ukoretwo ho amu kuri na passport 50,000 iria cietereire gucabwo. Akiongerera ati mathina megie heani wa passport mambiriirie miaka iri mihituku thutha wa budget ya kugura mashini kwaga kuhitukio.
We are doing everything possible to ensure that within the next 2 months or so, the production of passports becomes seamless. We are working closely with the MIERI and we have agreed that within the next 2-3 months, at least within 1 week of application of a passport, every Kenyan should be able to get a document.
Thirikari iri na methuguda ma gukoragwo na passport imwe tu ya page 50, akiuga a Kenya ari mari mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja na matire na ibandi na maratathi ni matumite maabithao a ruhonge ruru niguo kwandikithia a Kenya ya akiuga ona ethari ngui ari mari guku bũrũri-inĩ ona no mekorũmbũiyo niguo magie na maratathi.
Able to get more than 10,000 Kenyans in the US during the registration. I got the statistics from the ambassador later. And we have purchased those kits to be stationed there permanently. Nake Minister wa Uruti Wira Florence Bore ari mbere ya kamiti ino augite kuri na kambuni 1,106 cia gutwara andu mabũrũri ma nanja iria irikitie guthurimwo, no kuri na kambuni ingi 175 cietereire guthurimwo, akiuga gukinyeria riu kuri na mateta 87 maria a Kenya mandikithitie megie agents.
I went to Saudi Arabia. It is a concern. There are very many Kenyans that you find them in these safe houses. I found as many as 300 in number that were under distress. They had left their areas of jobs and they wanted to come home.
Bore augite kuri na miario ya uria certificate ya good conduct igikorwo iri ya makiria ma mwaka umwe niguo kurumbuya a Kenya aria monaga mawira ma kandarathi cia kuma miaka iri. Oho akiuga ni makoretwo na ukunderu wa kigina undu uria ucungagiriria ukuremo kunyabara kambuni cia gutwara andu mabũrũri ma nanja.
The ministry being underfunded, we are also understaffed, so we may not have enough officers to do the inspections.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.